Hey guys, Brett the Tech here, and this is a review of the new Google Chrome extension, Ozone. This came out about a week ago, and it has been growing popularity. So let's get started. First, I'm going to show you how to install it and how it works. So what you're going to want to do is go to Google Chrome right here, and then when you're in Google Chrome, copy and paste or click the link in the video description below, and it's going to take you to a page like this. You can read about it if you want, but you just hit install. And what this does is it installs almost instantly, and it puts a little logo in the top right corner of your browser. In order to use it, you're just going to click that logo, and it's going to open up a new tab. And it's basically an instant search engine, much like Google Instant. Only it not only has stuff from Google, but it has stuff from Amazon, Netflix, Wikipedia, YouTube, bookmarks, history, Gmail, Facebook, Apple, Quora, Fanvive, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Delicious. And it gives you. And so let me search something as the new movie that came out a few days ago, The Devil. It gives me Netflix, which helps me a lot, YouTube, trailers, and showtimes from Google, which is very. And let's say I search something as simple as Facebook. If I really need to quickly go to my history is right there. My bookmarks are there. I have basic, Facebook login, Facebook emoticons, all that stuff from Google. A Wikipedia about Facebook, YouTube videos about hacks and songs, and like Apple from iPhone apps. I haven't really got a chance to use this. Subscribe for my full review of it after I get to use it for a while. I'll make a full review of it. But so far, this looks pretty nice. Alright guys, this is Brett the Tech. Don't forget to subscribe for almost anything you can have to do with tech, including Xbox 360 game reviews, tech reviews, unboxings, all that good stuff. Alright guys, this is Brett the Tech. Peace.